Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in to Cymarc Bike Parts. We've had a couple of customers contact us saying that they're having difficulty fitting their Denali D4 lights to the Denali supplied bracket. We've had a look at the bracket, we've had a look at the instructions, and indeed they do say to fit the bracket in a rearward facing direction. However, we've noticed that if you do that, the light itself is too close to the furniture on the bike. Now, one thing I'll stress at this point for clarity, the fitting kit for the R1250GSA is indeed different to the fitting kit to the R1250GS. We've got a GSA here with the correct fitting kit. So as you can see, the bracket here is fitted correctly to the bike and it's in the rearward facing position as the instructions denote. However, as you can see, with the Denali D4, it's fouling on the furniture of the bike. Now, you can get round this by turning this bracket here through 180 degrees, but the cable coming out is still far too close to this. So what we've looked at is changing the orientation of the main bracket to see if it fits any better. So what we've done is take off the bracket which holds the spotlights in place. We've turned it through 180 degrees and reattached it to the two holding bolts. This has meant that the bracket is now forward facing. This means that the lights are much further away from the furniture of the bike. There is one thing missing and that's the beak off the front, but it's been removed for clarity so you can see exactly what we've done. In our opinion, this is a good fix. It's a good alternative to just turning this bracket round, and it gets the lights way away from the furniture of the bike. We're not saying that you have to do it, it's just an alternative if you also find that the D4 lights are far too close to the bike. Hope it helps. Thanks for watching Cymarc Bike Parts, and bye for now.